Welcome to our family day tour at Raven Resort. We have visited this place several times in the past, but after a decade, we have returned this year. We've noticed some exciting changes in the resort. The ambience here is incredibly relaxing, with fresh air and lush greenery all around. The resort boasts multiple outdoor pools where you can unwind and cool off. There are water slides and splash dump buckets to add excitement to your experience. And now, introducing the upgraded pool featuring the thrilling Turbo Racer slides. The kiddie pool is a shallow and safe haven designed for young children. It includes slides and splash dump buckets for added fun. This new kiddie pool is perfect for kids of all ages. Our little ones absolutely loved it. If you're looking for a place to relax and enjoy a barbecue meal, there are cottages available for rent. Additionally, sports enthusiasts can make use of the basketball and tennis courts. For those who wish to extend their stay, the resort also offers comfortable rooms for overnight accommodations. Here are some of our cherished souvenir photos from 2023. Creating lasting memories to treasure. Let's take a stroll down memory lane with our souvenir photos from 2013. And even a throwback to 2012. It feels like it was just yesterday.